10 minutes of this is better than 3 hours of sleep. Stop taking naps. Naps often trigger sleep inertia, leaving you feeling heavy and groggy for hours. You need NSDR. Non-sleep deep rest is a scientifically guided state between being awake and asleep. This reset flushes stress hormones like cortisol and instantly recharges your brain's energy supply. This is the efficiency equation. Brief rest for total restoration, leading to focused and energized output. Let's begin the protocol. Lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Do not move. Feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath in through your nose for 4 seconds and hold it. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this rhythm. Inhale and exhale. Feel the cortisol flushing from your system. Direct your awareness to your feet, toes, and ankles. Feel the sensation of release spreading upwards. Allow the nerves to quiet and the muscles to soften. Move that awareness to your knees, your thighs, and your hips. Your lower body is becoming heavy, still, and completely relaxed. You are now entering the deep state. Your brain is producing alpha and theta waves. This is the peak of neural recovery. Move your focus to your hands, your fingers, and your wrists. Release the tension in your forearms and shoulders. Observe your thoughts like clouds passing in a vast sky. Do not engage, just watch. You are the observer. Your heart rate is slowing. Your dopamine battery is being restored. Stay in this stillness. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just exist in this restorative state. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, open your eyes. You are now biologically reset. Your cognitive clarity has returned. Use this new energy for your next 90-minute work block. Subscribe to Inspired Mind Spaces to complete the system.